What's up guys, welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie 6 collab with concept Khepri colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, on the marking area here, the lace hole, the string here, the holes here isn't centered of the cut here. It should be centered. This one is slightly go down, and also the stitching of the Nike swoosh, there is no gap here. It's a little bit crooked on the fake one, whereas on the authentic there's a gap alongside the Nike swoosh. And another sample again, as you can see here, there is no gap. There is a white layer here on the Nike swoosh, whereas on the authentic there is no white layer. And this one also, as you can see here, the eyelets isn't placed right in the middle. It isn't centered. You can see it's slightly come up. This one is slightly go down. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the fake one, the gap is too narrow. The stitching is looking terrible. You can see this one is a little bit narrow gap, whereas on the authentic the gap is completely wide. And another sample again, you can see there is no gap here between the stitching and the Nike swoosh. You can see on the insole material here, material surface is totally wrong. It's totally different. On the authentic it's a lot more smooth, whereas on the fake one it's a little bit just like this. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see, there is a lot more opening between the midsole and the outsole. There's a white look, also it looking so dirty. There's a white glue stain over here and over here. And also this one, on the fake one, is the line here, it should be centered with this sign here, whereas on the authentic is centered. On the fake one is a little bit slightly to the right. And also this one, the gap between the stitching and the lining here is a little bit too far, whereas on the authentic is too close here. It's pretty easy to spot. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any questions, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.